In these problems, we are calculating some multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction problems using what's called the order of operations. So when you see something like this, 4 times 7 plus 7 minus 12 divided by 2, you can't just go ahead and do this from left to right. You'll get the wrong answer if you do that. To get this right, you have to do it according to this order of operations, and we usually abbreviate this PEMDAS. This tells you which order you should do things in. If you have parentheses, you got to deal with them first. So that's number one. And then exponents after that. We don't have parentheses or exponents in these problems, so we don't have to worry about those two. And then come multiplication and division, and these are both put under this blue box here because it really doesn't matter if you do multiplication before division or division before multiplication. Um, they're just put in this order because it's easier to say PEMDAS than it is to say PEDMAZA or something. So multiplication and division have to come before addition and subtraction. So that's the trick here. I think what I'm going to do is isolate the multiplication and division stuff. So here's a multiplication problem, and here's a division problem. The rest of this is just addition and subtraction. So let's do these two parts first. 4 times 7 is 28, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then I'm going to fill in the rest. I've got a plus, 7, minus. Okay. Now I can do the addition and subtraction in any order I want. And actually, I'm going to do this chunk first because 7 minus 6 is pretty easy. It's just 1. So this problem comes down to 28 plus 1, and that is 29. Let's try one more for practice here. Again, I'm going to isolate the multiplication and division parts. So 3 times 8, that's a multiplication problem. 28 divided by 4, that's a division problem. The rest is just subtraction and addition. So 3 times 8, that's 24. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. Let me write in the rest of this. I've got a minus, 9, and plus. And let's see, I'm going to do the subtraction first. So 24 minus 9, that's 15. So this is 15 plus 7. And 15 plus 7 is 22. So that is how to do these multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction problems using the order of operations.